Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Afterpay with Cash App. Let's get started. First, open the Cash App and log into your account. And on the home screen, tap the magnifying glass icon at the bottom to open the Discover section. Now search for the Afterpay. As you can see, Afterpay is not available as a direct partner on Cash App. This means that you cannot use Afterpay directly inside the Cash App. But don't worry, there's still a way to use them together. And here's how it works. Open the Afterpay app on your device and sign in. Choose the product that you want to buy and add it to your cart. When you reach checkout, select Add Payment Method and enter your Cash App card details as your payment option. Since the Cash App card works like a debit card, Afterpay will charge your Cash App balance for installment payments. And that's it. That's how you can use Afterpay with Cash App. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.